Hello everyone, this is Ram and welcome to another interesting episode of our unboxing videos. In this video, we're going to do the unboxing of Sony's XB700 series wireless earbuds. These are very good quality earbuds from Sony and I personally like Sony's products. So today we're going to do the unboxing of it, but before we proceed with the unboxing, I have a small request for you all, that is to please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it will help me post some more interesting videos just like this one. Now let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, when I first received the box, it looks like this, laminated in a cover, and it comes with 1 year warranty as you can see here. Let's take a look at some of the info here. As you can see, it is made in Vietnam, but the USB cable is from China as mentioned here. This product is priced at 11,990 rupees, but you can get it on Amazon at just rupees 7,990. Let me just get rid of the cover first. So there is another black box inside this box. Let me just take it out. So here, as you can see, the earbuds and the case are placed like this. Let me just keep them aside and see what else we get inside the box. So here we get extra 3 pairs of ear tips and a standard Type-C USB cable. Apart from this, we also get some documentation. I think I'll read them later. Let me just take a look at this case first. The case has a standard build quality and it comes with a Type-C USB connector. And this case also has an LED indicator over here. Let me put these earbuds inside the case and see. So initially there is no battery life here. So you need to charge it 100% and only then you must start using it. Let me first charge these earbuds and then I'll start testing them and come back with my opinion about this product. So guys, I have been using these Bluetooth earphones for quite some time now, and I must say that these headphones are simply one of the best products you can get in the market, especially in terms of sound quality and in terms of the connectivity. First, let's talk about the connectivity, guys, because it is one of the most important thing in our daily life. In terms of connectivity, I had no issues with this product, and it is simply helped me a lot with the calls and the quality of the calls as well. Now let's talk about the music quality, guys, and in terms of music quality, these headphones simply exceeded my expectations, especially in terms of bass and in terms of high tones and mid tones as well. Though I'd like to mention one thing here is that this one comes with a flat sound signature, and if you're connecting these headphones with different smartphones, you may get different sound signature. In order to change that, you need to use an equalizer or a music player that comes with a default equalizer, so that you can get the best output from these Bluetooth headphones. Otherwise this one simply delivers the best quality sound profile compared to any other TWS in this price point or in this segment. So that's it guys for today. If you really like my video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.